You guys stay here. Definitely Galileo related. It says S&B Filters on the outside. I think I know what that is. Let's get these guys inside. The company name is S&B Filters. I ordered this part. It's actually a part for a Honda Talon side-by-side. Anyway, I'm going to open this up. Where's my scissors? I'll open up this. Nothing. So there's a couple parts in here I can use and a couple parts I cannot use. That's about 4 inches across. The exit. But these are little, like, turbulators. Try to put some video on what exactly these things do.
When we were looking to develop our particle separator, and we knew our customers and UTV owners, they wanted the absolute best when it came to a particle separator. And so what we did is we mimicked what the military uses in their helicopters to land in the desert. So the military has a bunch of vortexes similar to what we have here, and then they have what we use as a scavenge fan. But instead of a scavenge fan, we designed specially made fans to scavenge out and to pull the dust out of the airflow and get rid of it. And what that does is it keeps you from ever having to maintain your filter. You install this, you never have to deal with it ever again. You will be amazed at how clean your filter stays, even going through the most harshest conditions, silt beds, the dustiest conditions you can put it, the UTV through. Our particle separator is going to separate an enormous amount of dust. You're not going to have to clean your filter very often at all. By keeping your filter clean, that's a convenient item, but it keeps you from ever dusting your motor on your engine, which is radically important. So, number one, separation percentage. This device is way more efficient and at separating dust than the older technology is.
But this is the air separator, the particle separator. It separates particles in the air to give the car intake a lot more clean air. When you're off-roading, believe me, I didn't think I would need one, but I do need one. So this was ordered and it's going on the ATV. This kit here is made for a Honda Talon. Part number 76719. Excuse me, 76-7019. So this will hang from this top bar up here in the back. So if you push it, I got some clamps up here. You can kind of see them right there, but it's gonna be dangling right there. I'm about to, well, mock it up. Okay, since we last left off, you guys saw me fiddling with the clamps for the S&B particle separator, which is right here. I've hooked everything up, but I have not hung the separator up yet. It's going to be hanging on this top bar. And I'm waiting for the clamps to come in. I got the wrong clamps. Clamps will be here this week. It's just a mock-up, so just see if I have it wired up correctly. Here's the coil. I have it, the sensor for the coil. I have it pointing in the right direction. I just have it taped to the spark plug wire. Everything's just kind of just laying here. I won't be running it long. Just I want to see if it works before I hide all the wires. Before I run them all. Yeah, ready to go. Pretty simple setup. Where's the key? Da-da-da. You hear it? That's these fans running. Let's turn this way. Okay, so I'll turn this around here. And start the Separator. Galileo's about to turn on. Oh, I hope this works. Whoa, really went high. Oh, it came back down again. Let's see if it goes up in speed if I rev the engine. Very cool. Very cool. My goodness. Okay, time to bury everything. Updates to follow.